Good afternoon, good evening, or depending on when the time you are watching this video. You have an Acer laptop. Acer laptop. We have an Acer laptop. It's not powering on. There's no light. There's no light in the system. We have a charger. Okay. 19 volt is present. The multimeter. Plugging it, not showing any light. We're dead now. But we lose the board and try to troubleshoot why is it not powered on. First, we take off the battery. Now, you can see something. The board is coming from a local repair shop. You can see some work here, working, and also kind of work here. I will troubleshoot the board and know why it's not powering on. Plug in the charger, no light. Okay, we need to check the 19 volts power rail if there's any short on the 19 volts power rail. That's not powering on. First, check your charger. It's not powering, not showing any lights. I have a Acer charger. System is an Acer system. I have a Acer charger. Check the multimeter. Good is not present. Take note, we have the positive and the negative in here. This is the negative, while this other one is the positive. Take note. So let's see if 19 volt is present here. 19 volt is not present. I think this is a diode. This is the first MOSFET, but they replace it with diode. The second MOSFET is here, and the current sensing resistor is here. Okay, let's check if the current sensing resistor is a short circuit on the current sensing resistor. This is ground. This is ground. Okay, there's a fair short in the 19 volts line. That is why it's not powered on it. Fair short in the 19 volts line. That is why it's not powered on. Okay. On the other side of the diode, it's a fair short. It's a short. After there's a fair short. So what we need to do, we need to try to find the short. Why is the 19 volts shorted to ground? Why is it shorted to ground? It's a fair short. So when I inject 3.1 volt to C, which component is responsible for each circuit. 3.2 is okay. And, okay. It's taking some ampere, 2.5 amps. I think I have some alcohol. Okay. Okay, that MOSFET is heating up. I don't know if you can see it from there. The MOSFET is heating up. There's a power supply to the processor. That guy is dead. It's heating up. So let me remove it and see if the short will still be there. Okay. Come with my workstation. Don't read it. Let me check if the MOSFET is good or bad. Yeah, that's a bad guy. That's a bad guy. Yes. Alpha. Yeah, the MOSFET is bad. MOSFET is not a fuse. It's also supposed to give us a continuity reading. It's also supposed to be a continuity reading. The MOSFET is bad. And let's check our 19 volts per array. Partial short is gone. So we need to replace this MOSFET. Let's check what we have here. On the top of the MOSFET, we have 2635 2653. So go to the internet and type 2653 MOSFET datasheet. According to what we have here, it's an N-channel MOSFET. It's an N-channel MOSFET. It's an N-channel MOSFET. So we replace it with an N-channel MOSFET. N-channel MOSFET. We have a donor board. Then all these ones are power supply to the CPU. Just pick any of them and replace. What is happening? I think I'll go with this one. present. It's not there. Plug in the charger. Anti-roll is present. Okay, the diode is there. Anti-roll is present. And current sensing resistor. Anti-roll is present. Okay, let's power it up and see. Power. Yeah, it's powering. Let's test the display. Oh, we have a picture now on the screen. It's working. Enjoy. Couple it and give it to